Okay, this is my little gay fishnet multiplayer test thing. And then I made this sky texture thing, which is just, hello. It's just a little, yeah, little skybox thing. And so you can change the colours. So you could make it a more dark sky. And these can be animated inside Unity or like whatever. But yeah, they can be animated inside Unity, which is pretty cool. It makes it kind of sort of easy to do this stuff. And so yeah, I'm doing it wrong now because I just made them darker. So I turned down the intensity, and then I'd fade in the stars. I can control how low down they go as well. Now they're only up there. I don't know if you can see they're faded out there. Bring this down, and they go all the way down. And this just fades them overall. And yeah, I've got this shitty rain thing here. What I was doing before was I had, I don't know if you can see them. Oh fuck no, the rain's only over here, above the player. Am I using these? Oh yeah, you can see them. These little particles flying up. And then I've got these ones which are, if I turn them up to be more explicit, there, I don't know if you saw it, it's making like a little ripple on the ground. That was my attempt, that was my first attempt. And it was pretty, I mean, you can sort of see them. They're not terrible, but they're not great either. They're kind of weak looking. You can see them there. But yeah, if I get rid of these ripples, I mean they're fine, right? But this is using the Unity texture sample package and the, what's this other one, Unity shader graph production ready examples. So I took a little bit of both of them. I took the texture one and then I took the texture shader and then I mixed it in with their rain shader. So now I would animate it start raining, and then either when these start hitting this or just, you know, around the same time that starts happening, I would turn up this value first. So I don't know if you can see. It's like little dots appearing on it, like raindrops. And then slide up this one as well. And this one slightly. And it sort of darkens it up. Starts to create these puddles. Makes it wetter. And the puddles increase over time, as does the rain intensity. And then it's like super dark now. You know, and these could all be animated as well. That's what's quality about these, is these can be animated. Right now they're settings on this specific texture. So, and obviously other things like this grass is not using the same texture, so none of it, like, it's not all uniform. But I'm going to work this stuff into the other shaders as well. And so I won't put it up too high because it does start to artifact, like, should be a moon up there, really. And I might need to clamp it, because I'm guessing that is why that appears so bright over there. because it's too bright right now. So it's not, there's some bugs showing up, it's not perfect. Pretty fucking good though. I think it needs to fade out over distance, clearly. But yeah, it's somewhat better than than these ripples that we're showing up. Like, they're not terrible. A bit light compared to these ones. These ones look much better. I suppose I could have just changed them by making them making them black properly, and they probably all merge together. You probably can't tell which one's which, but you know, good enough. I should change these bouncy things as well to be more. But then they sort of disappear. Although, yeah, they're not terrible. Yeah, that's it.